Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing MetaMask versus Rabby Wallet, two popular crypto wallets, to see which one might be better for you. First up, we have Rabby Wallet here. This is a browser extension wallet designed to improve on MetaMask's experience. It automatically detects the blockchain your app is running on and switches networks for you. No manual setup needed. It also previews transactions in detail, showing token approvals and potential risks before you sign, making it ideal for users who prioritize security and transparency. The downside, Rabby is newer, so it has a smaller user base and fewer mobile options compared to MetaMask. Now we have MetaMask. This is one of the most widely used crypto wallets for Ethereum and EVM compatible chains. It supports mobile and browser extensions, NFT management, and connects to nearly every DApp. Its strengths are reliability, broad adoption, and mobile support, but it does require manual network switching. Transaction details can feel unclear, and managing gas fees isn't always beginner friendly. Side by side, I would say Rabby Wallet is best for advanced. It is best for advanced DeFi users, transaction transparency, and automatic network switching. MetaMask, let's say best for mainstream users, brought up the app compatibility and mobile access. So if you want maximum reach and mobile support, you want to go with MetaMask. But if you want extra transaction security and a smoother desktop DeFi experience, Rabby Wallet might be the smarter choice. So if this helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.